smart infrastructure starts with smart fiber. Powered by LiteLinx patented smart fiber and the AI-driven F360i platform, this breakthrough technology transforms infrastructure from the ground up. Real-time data, intelligent automation, and 30% cost optimization. This is how the future of fiber deployment gets built. The world's first smart fiber platform merging patented cable technology with an AI-driven cloud system, delivering real-time, self-updating infrastructure without changing how cable is manufactured or priced. Here's how it works. Every meter is born with a digital identity. Our patented F360 ID technology embeds intelligence directly into the cable jacket during standard manufacturing. Same process, same cost, just smarter. As the cable deploys, the map updates. Every meter laid is a meter mapped. Real-time validation with minimal human touch. Live chain of custody from the field to the cloud. See exactly where your infrastructure lives, second by second. Digital twin created in real time. LiteLinx patented smart fiber in action. LiteLinx smart fiber. Same cable, infinite intelligence.